Good evening, everyone. This is Bonnie. I had the first two questions. The first one was to take this phrase and turn it into a strong password. So the first thing that you can do is go and use the first letter of every word that's there. So you do L, U, G, T, U, A, I, W, T, E, I, S, O, A, T, S. And then what you can do is you can turn that into a different password. So you could do capital L, U, G, T, Y. And then for the A, you can use the @ symbol. And then for the I, you can use the number 1. And then W, T. For an E, you can use a 3 as it looks like a backwards E. Then you can use 1 again for the I. You can use 5 for an S. You can use 0 for an O. You can use the @ symbol again for the A, and then a T, and then the 5 again for the S. So that is the first one of how to make a strong password out of that, and something you can remember. Question number 2 was you had to take two phrases and make strong passwords from those two phrases. So the first one that I chose to do, I wrote, the Yankees have won 27 world championships. And how you can make that into a password is you can use Y for Yankees, the @ symbol for the A, NK, and then for the two I's you would use 3, 3, and then for the S you would use the 5, and then you can just put a dot, and then 27 for the number of World Series. So that is how to make a password out of that one. And then the last one that I did was my daughter graduates from Sacred Heart Academy in 2013. So my daughter's name is Tori, so I can use the T, the 0 for the O, the R, lowercase because you're mixing up lower and caps. Then you would use the number 1 for I, and then dot as like a space, and then you could use SH for Sacred Heart. Then you would use the @ symbol again for Academy, and then you could just throw a dot in there for like a space, and then you could put in her graduation year. So I will now pass it on to Eric, who will complete it with questions 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, everyone, and see you next week.